Hi guys, we received this for your PC USB-C wireless display receiver and transmitter for viewing purposes, and I think it's really nice. This is the box. It came the receiver which connects to your computer, cell phone, tablet with a Type-C plug, and which is this one. As you can see, this is a transmitter. With this button you can turn on so it detects the signal and you just plug it in. It's just plug and play, which is really nice. And it also comes with a USB-A to HDMI cable. This goes onto your display, projector, monitor, TV. You just plug this directly into the HDMI, and this one you connect it to an electrical outlet or into the same USB port that comes in your as I've said, display, TV, monitor, whatever you're gonna use. Okay, so let's go ahead and make all the connections to see how it projects from my laptop upon my TV that I have in here. Okay. So as you can see, now it's ready. It looks really nice, as if I had just a simple HDMI cable connected, and you can open the basic stuff and use it, which is really nice. As you can see, it works perfectly. And as you can see, I don't have anything more connected. It's just via the transmitter and receiver, which is really nice, very easy to use. As I've said, it's just plug and play, which is perfect if you wanna have a conference and the laptop is further away than your projector, TV, whatever you're gonna use. Even if you're in your home and don't want to have the cables all connected, I think it's a really nice option. So I would really recommend it. It's really nice, simple and effective. So I like it a lot. See ya.